Today we're exploring Gumi. We're at the base of the river where all the factories are over here and science museums. And the factories basically are LG and Samsung, all the TVs, air conditioners, display units, all that sort of stuff. That's what Gumi's known for, its factories.
Interesting fact, LG is from Korea.
Yes, it is. Anyway, that's the mountain we climbed the other day, Gumi Mountain. Brings back dark memories of pain. Anyway, but stay tuned. Let's see what we can find today. So we found a bike rental place in Gumi and it's free. So all you do is just turn up at this little shop, grab the bike that you want, you get it for an hour and you get to ride around. It's gonna be cool. This is what we wanted to do. Yeah, good work. This is good fun. This is what we've been meaning to do. This is it. Bike bandits. Bike bandits. It's a great day. It's really warm today. It's like 23, 24 degrees, but in the sun feels like 25. And it's just, it's lovely. Really nice. Lots of people around, family days. Great stuff. The bikes are a little bit dodgy though, like I'm scared to let go of the handle. This was really cool. Like free bike rentals, you've got kids bikes, and you've got also double bikes as well. We should have taken the double bike, right? Yeah, Lumi was struggling in the end. Time to get a drink. Saturday, lots of family around. I guess it's the day they get off work and can spend time with their family. It's really nice here. Lots and lots of screaming kids. Screaming kids. That's the LG factory over there. They're making TVs here and at the screens. And people order food. Little man. Bring them in on little motorbikes. Very nice area. Very nice area. People playing baseball, golf, on the river, jet skis, boats. Renting bicycles is free. So if you're in Gumi and you've got nothing to do, come here on the weekend. It's great. Near the Science Museum.
Oh, there's the bus.